Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the work. So work is nothing but the one type of energy and that is also measured in joule, that is in SI unit or MKS unit. So here what will happen, work, suppose how the work is takes place, suppose we want to do some work, so we want to give a force on that body and that body get displaced, so we can say that the work is done. So work done, that is equal to force into displacement, so that is cos theta. So here what will happen, how the work done is takes place, that is depends on the angle between force and displacement. So force and displacement. So here what will happen, let's consider a one example. Suppose we have considered a van. In this van, suppose we have applied the force in this direction. So what will happen? Suppose we have applied the force in this direction. Similarly, the displacement is also takes place in this direction. Displacement is also takes place in this direction. If we have applied the force in this direction, similarly the displacement is takes place in this direction. Suppose here we have consider a string and that string we have held on our hand and just we are pulling the van, so that van will moving along the road along the displacement direction. So we can say there is making some angle theta, so we can say that we will get the maximum displacement. So cos theta give the very good information. If the theta is equal to 0 degree, so theta is equal to 0 degree, we can say that cos 0 degree, that is equal to 1. So we can say that work is equal to force into displacement into cos theta. So when the cos 0 is equal to 1, so we will get the maximum work, so we will get the max work. So in this condition we will get the max work, maximum work. But here what will happen, suppose in this case we have considered we are making some angle theta and force is applying in this direction and displacement is takes place in this direction. So here is some angle, so we can say that there is displacement is takes place, so we can say that force is applied, displacement is also takes place, but that work is small as compared to the previous this case, because there takes place the maximum displacement due to the cos 0 degree is equal to 1. So here what will happen, here is making some angle, so due to some angle the cos the angle 0 to 90 degree, so 0 to 90 degree is greater than 0 and less than 90 degree, we will get the work done, but that is the less as compared to the along the direction when the cos 0 is equal to cos 0 degree is equal to 1. So we will get the maximum displacement along the force direction and displacement direction is same. At that time we will get the maximum work done, and in this direction making some angle, so force is applied in this direction, displacement is takes place in this direction, due to some angle we will get the work done, but that is not a maximum, so that is less as the compared to the angle theta is equal to 0 degree Celsius. But here we want to consider the another case. Suppose we have considered 90 degree, so in this direction we have applied the force and this is the direction of displacement. So here what will happen, suppose we have considered the van and we are applying the force in this direction perpendicular to the road, this is the road perpendicular to the road. So here what will happen, this van cannot move in front in this direction because the force is applied upward direction, so displacement is not takes place along this direction. So we can say that cos 90 degree, cos 90 degree, that is equal to 0. So work done is 0. So work done cannot take place. So we can say that work done is equal to 0. Work done is equal to 0 when we have considered the cos 90 degree. So at that time work done is takes place 0. Suppose we have applied the force in this direction. So here what will happen? Displacement is also takes place in this direction. Displacement is also takes place in this direction because this angle is make 180 degree. So cos 180 degree, that is equal to -1. So that's why we can say that the displacement is takes place in reverse direction. So we are familiar with that. When the cos 0 degree is equal to 1, so we will get the maximum work done. And when the cos 90 degree, because cos 90 degree is equal to 0, so we will get the 0 work done. So we are familiar with this. So work done, that is equal to force into displacement. So this is our maximum work done. Here we have considered the cos 0 degree is equal to 1. So suppose we have asked in problem, calculate the work done at certain second. So at that time what we want to do, the variable work done we want to calculate. So at that time what will happen, we want to consider the work done, that is equal to integration force into displacement. Here F is the force, dx is the displacement. So 0 to t at certain time. So this formula we want to use. Suppose we have given certain time and we want to calculate the work done. So for that purpose we want to use this equation. So let's consider one problem, and by using this problem we will understand how to calculate the work at certain time or given certain second. So here we have given in this problem the relation between displacement x and time t for a body of mass 2 kg. So here we have given one body which having the mass 2 kg moving under the action of force is given by x is the displacement, that is t to the power 3 divided by 3, where x is the displacement which is measured in meter, t is the time which is measured in second. So here we want to calculate the work done by the body in first 2 seconds. So here what will happen, we want to calculate the work done in first 2 seconds. In first 2 seconds. So given data, we have given mass, that mass is equal to 2 kg. Similarly we have given displacement, that displacement is equal to t to the power 3 divided by 3, and t we have given in 2 seconds. So t we have given 2 seconds. We want to calculate in 2 seconds how much the work done is takes place, that we want to calculate. So here work done, that is equal to force into displacement. So time we have given 0 to first 2 seconds. So 0 to 2 seconds. Force into displacement. This force, that force is equal to mass into acceleration, and this dx is the displacement. So here what will happen, force is equal to mass into acceleration. So here mass we have given 2 kg and this acceleration. So acceleration we want to calculate. Acceleration is equal to the rate of change of velocity. But velocity we have not given, but we have given the displacement, that velocity is the rate of change of displacement, that is rate of change of displacement. So we can easily calculate. So this formula we can write, dx is equal to v into dt. So this formula also we can write, v is equal to d upon dx, x we have given that x is t to the power 3 divided by 3. So this we can write 1 by 3 d upon dt. So this is upon d upon dt. This we have given t cube. So this is become 1 upon 3, that is 3t square. So this get cancelled. So we will get this v is equal to t square. So we will get v is equal to t square. Force, so force is equal to mass into acceleration, mass, and acceleration we want to calculate. So here what will happen, now we have calculated this velocity, and that velocity we want to put here, and we can easily calculate the acceleration. And this acceleration, that acceleration is equal to rate of change of velocity. So that is equal to d upon dt, where t is v is equal to t square. So acceleration, that is equal to 2t. Acceleration we have get 2t. And similarly we have seen this formula, dx is equal to v dt. Dx is equal to v dt. So dx is equal to this v is t square into dt. So here we are familiar with that work done, that is integration 0 to 2 force into displacement, force into displacement. So here force, that is 2 into a, so that force is equal to 2 into this acceleration multiplied by 2 into dt. So this is the 4t, this is the 4t. So f is equal to this 4t, and dx is equal to, we will get dx is equal to this t square dt. So we can write work done 0 to 2, that is 4t t square into dt. So here what will happen, this force is 4t, dx, this dx is t square dt. So this is t square dt. We will get 0 to 2 4t cube into dt. So this is 4 integration 0 to 2 t cube into dt. So this becomes as 4 t to the power 4 divided by 4, 0 to 2. So this 4 get cancelled. So 2t we want to put 2. So that is equal to 2 to the power 4 minus t we want to put as a 0. So 0 to the power 4, that is 0. So that is 2 to the power 4, that is 16 joule. So this is our work. This is our work. So we can say that work is equal to 16 joule. So we can say that for first 2 seconds, we require